Yes.
I have very strange hiccups. They sound more like burps, and they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Wow.
So why can't I get a straw
Right.
and close it down so that it's taking me a lot more pressure?
Right.
And I don't need this thing.